So I did a video on superdeterminism, now let's do a video on the many worlds theory. So the big quantum mechanical problem is if you have two particles that are entangled, and you observe one and it's in spin up, how does the other one know to resolve into spin down? How does it know this even if they're separated by a universe apart? Superdeterminism just states that everything is essentially entangled with each other, so you can't genuinely have an independent observation of something. And so what that resolution was basically decided at the Big Bang. Many worlds theory tackles this another way. You see, it's only a problem if one has to resolve to spin up and the other has to resolve to spin down. But in many worlds theory, they're both just resolving in both ways. And in fact, all quantum events are always resolving in all possible ways, in which case, there's no real need for information transfer. And there is a world in which things resolve in one quantum state and a world in which they resolve in another quantum state. And that's basically it. Again, no weird space magic, no quantum woo. It's just that there is not a problem with how does this quantum event know how to resolve, because it is always resolving in all states. And we are experiencing the world in one set of quantum states because all the quantum stuff that goes into making us up basically resolved that way. If it resolved differently, then there's another us experiencing another world. But that has nothing to do with our consciousness or anything like that. It's literally just how quantum events that involve the particles that make us up and make the rest of the world up resolve.